In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and play Freeze on your phone. So first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store on your phone. After that, you're going to tap on the search box at the very top of your screen, and then you're just going to type in here for Freeze. Once you search for Freeze, you will be able to see here your app over here with an exclamation mark. So you're going to tap on that, and then just tap on Install. Once you tap on Install, you're just going to wait until your game has been installed into your device. And once it's done, you're just going to tap on Play. Then you will be redirected to the home page of this game. In here, you're going to tap on the first option, which is Play, and then just choose your map. After that, just start from the first mission. So in this game, what actually you want to do is you're going to avoid the obstacles, and then you're going to connect this eye to its destination. And the good thing is you can move this map both ways. In some missions, you get this freeze option at the lower side of your screen, which you can use to stop your eye in the air. In the similar way, you can play this game.